All right, we're looking at GitHub and setting up a GitHub account, and then we'll look at publishing a Unity project to our GitHub account. So you need to choose an email and go ahead and enter your email here. Then we're going to continue on to create a password. Make sure your password is long and strong. Then you can create a username, and this is going to be a username for your repositories on GitHub. Next, we're going to go ahead and finish up with selecting student or teacher, depending on your role. And then any specific tools that you're interested in using on GitHub. For our purposes, we're pretty much just going to want possibly the client apps so we can utilize GitHub Desktop if necessary. And of course, we're going to go ahead and, depending on your role, make your selection, but in this case we're just going to continue for free. And it's going to go ahead and load up your GitHub dashboard, and you can see the dashboard here. Normally we're going to want to create a repository for your files to upload to, and you want to make sure that it's public as well when you create it, so that you can share your WebGL projects from Unity specifically in this case. So here is the owner. We're going to create a repository, give it a repository name, and then it will indicate whether that repository name is good or not with the check mark, and then give it a description to describe a little bit about your project and what the project is showing, what it entails, so that readers or your instructor have a good feel for your project and what's going on. We're also going to want to initialize with a README, and then for the git ignore, you can go ahead and type in Unity here so that it's set up specifically for Unity. If you want a license, you can assign it a license. You don't need to assign it a license, but the general use public would be a good one if you do want to go with a license. We're going to create the repository. So this is where we're going to upload a spaceship game that is moving a spaceship through asteroids and collecting some stars. So to do that, we're going to have to go up to Add File and upload some files, and I'll show you how to do that in our next episode. So come on back for the next episode.